In this video, you are going to learn, what is marketing? 4 P's of marketing, different types of marketing strategies, marketing channels, and benefits of marketing. Let's start the video. Marketing as a discipline involves all the actions a company undertakes to draw in customers and maintain relationships with them. Marketing involves researching, promoting, selling, and distributing your products or services. Marketing focuses on the study of the market and consumer behaviors, and it analyzes the commercial management of companies in order to attract, acquire, and retain customers by satisfying their wants and needs, and instilling brand loyalty. Promotions are targeted to certain audiences and may involve celebrity endorsements, catchy phrases or slogans, memorable packaging or graphic designs, etc. 4 P's of marketing. Product, price, place, and promotion are the 4 P's of marketing. The 4 P's of marketing is a basic formula for identifying and working with the essential elements of your marketing strategy. Let's discuss them separately. Product. Having a product is key and is the root of all things marketing. A product could be anything that a company offers consumers to satisfy a need. Before they can produce a proper campaign, marketers need to understand what product is being sold, how it stands out from its competitors, whether the product can also be paired with a secondary product or product line, and whether there are substitute products in the market. Price. Price judgments will determine supply, demand, and marketing strategy. Products and brands may have to be positioned differently in the market based on their price point. When establishing a price, companies must consider the unit cost price, marketing costs, and distribution expenses. Place. Marketing is all about putting products or services in the right place at the right time, making it critical to research and evaluate which locations are ideal for turning leads into prospects into customers. The goal of the distribution strategy is to enable potential clients to have easy access to your products or services, as well as offer a good experience throughout the purchasing process. Promotion. Promotion is how will you let the world know that your product or service exists. This refers to all the marketing and communication that is done in order to show the benefits of your product or service within the market. This is how you increase sales. Let's discuss different types of marketing strategies. Marketing is not just one single strategy, but rather a combination of many different techniques. It depends entirely on where your customers spend their time. Here are several types of marketing that are relevant today. Word-of-mouth marketing. If your customers are talking about a brand without any hesitation, that brand's market presence, reputation, and customer base skyrockets. These customers openly recommend a brand to their friends, family, or even strangers online. This is incredibly helpful to any company trying to reach more people organically. Search engine optimization. Search engine optimization or SEO is the process of optimizing the content on a website so that it appears in search engine results. Marketers use it to attract people who perform searches that imply they're interested in learning about a particular industry or product. Social media marketing. Businesses can use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and similar social networks to create impressions on their audience over time. Print marketing. As newspapers and magazines get better at understanding who subscribes to their print material, businesses start to sponsor articles and advertisements in the publications their customers are reading. Email marketing. Email marketing is one of the most profitable and effective techniques in terms of return. Naturally, here you are sending emails to your email list, but make sure to define your segments well in order to be effective. Direct marketing. Direct marketing consists of any marketing that relies on direct communication or distribution to individual consumers, rather than through a third party such as mass media. Marketing channels. With different techniques, tactics, and strategies we discussed, marketers use a variety of different channels to reach their audiences. From traditional channels like billboards and radio advertisements, to digital channels like social media and user reviews, the flexibility that marketers have now is more than ever before. Let's move on to the benefits of marketing. Marketing can benefit your business in countless ways. Let's take a look at a few of the most important ones. Number 1. Raising brand awareness. Promotion is important because it gets people familiar with your brand and the products or services you provide. It also makes you memorable to customers who can begin to trust your brand, become loyal clients, and tell their network about you. 2. Increase market share. The existing competition in the market will determine how much market share your brand is able to acquire. So, for companies looking to establish themselves within their industries, a market share objective could be an excellent choice. The aim shouldn't always be the best, but to find a good position in the market and to be considered as a reference for a segment of the market. 3. Increase revenue. Increasing revenue is a very common marketing objective. For marketers to show that their efforts have paid off, they need to see a good return on investment or ROI. To do this, they'll need to ensure that revenue from sales significantly exceeds any of their marketing costs. 4. Building trust in your brand. Creating a high level of trust in your brand leads to customer loyalty and repeat purchases. This not only increases revenue but also leads to great reviews both online and by word of mouth, which is still one of the most effective types of promotion. Number 5. Build industry authority. We'd all like to be dealt with by an expert in our respective niches. Marketing objectives that revolve around building industry authority can do just that. These goals focus on establishing your brand as an authority through valuable content, keynote speaker spots, and more. If you want to read in details or download the PDF, go through the link in the description. Like the video, it will inspire me to make more videos for you, and don't forget to subscribe to Education Leaves.